Hello everyone, this is your instructor Hamid Talash with one of the essential and important topic today. The topic that I'm going to tell you and describe to you people is very essential and important. After watching this lecture, you will be able to learn English easily and quickly. Learn English in 5 steps. You may see it here. Now, the first and important step that you need to know about learning English is every day listen, read, and speak. Besides that, write. Now, हर दिन daily basis पर कुछ न कुछ सुना करे. What to listen? Watch a movie, a speech, anything. Your favorite video from the YouTube, a documentary, a biography of someone. जो भी आप चाहते हैं सुने. Try to listen. Read more. They are 2 receptive skills. आप किसी की biography read कर सकते हैं, अपना favorite कोई topic read कर सकते हैं, newspaper. There are a lot of things to read. It depends what are you interested in. Speak. What you listen and you read, try to speak upon it. Try to explore it in your own words. Try to talk to your friends about it. Try to exchange the information that you got. ये सब आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने जो है फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी कर सकते हैं, अपने कुलीग्स के साथ, किसी के साथ भी आप कर सकते हैं. ऐप से वहाँ पर आप कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. Write it to yourself. Write it in your daily journal. You might be having journal. End of the day, आप अपना पूरा दिन आपने क्या किया है, you are going to describe that. So you need to follow the first step, which is every day you have to listen, read, speak, and write. Or you could say listen, read, speak, and write every day. The next one is learn new vocabulary and take notes of it. Very essential thing. When you are listening and reading, what will happen? You will have a bunch of vocabulary. You will have lots of vocabulary. Lots of words will come. You will try to learn them. How to learn vocabulary? I have already delivered a lecture on that. You need to watch it and understand it. There are different techniques to learn. Vocabulary spinners, playing vocabulary, other games, using dictionary, etc. Now, you need to know about new words, unique sentences, new expressions, learn about idioms, how the writer has used it. When you're reading it, आपको पता चलता है कि writer ने इस लफ्ज़ को कैसे यूज़ किया है. If the writer used the word in the sentence the way it needs to be used, तो आपने भी उसी तरह इस्तेमाल करना है. आपने उसके other usages भी सीखने हैं. The third step that you want to improve your English with, that is watch movies and different speeches. Very essential and important step is to watch movies and speeches. Now, when you're watching movie, you're improving what? Pronunciation. With pronunciation, you're improving the flow of conversation. How are you communicating? How are people they are doing conversation with each other? आप ये भी improve कर रहे हैं. आप उनको देखते हैं वापस में कैसे बात करते हैं. How they are exchanging dialogues with each other. वो बात कैसे करते हैं. हाँ, you will learn vocabulary from there. आप उससे vocabulary सीखेंगे. And besides that, you will know and you will be able to know about the body language there. वो कैसे body language use करते हैं. From speech is the same case. When you are listening a speech, आप किसी भी जो है speech को सुनते हैं. Many people are listening the commencement speech in different universities. आपकी मर्जी, you're listening a documentary. But when you are listening speech, public speeches, तो आप में speech की quality आ जाती है. You will be able to deliver speeches. वो body language जब आप use करेंगे, that will help you a lot to जब वो use करते हैं, that will help you a lot to improve your body language. Besides that, if you want to improve your English among these 5 steps, the 4th one is talk to yourself. You are the most favorite person. आप अपने आप के लिए सबसे most favorite person हैं. There is no one best than you. You're the best. Yeah. Try to talk to yourself. Ask and answer. You watched a movie, आपने कोई movie देखा. You read a book, you read a book. आपने कोई speech सुना या book read किया या article जो भी है. Ask from yourself. Ask question. What was the speech about? What the speaker was trying to deliver? How are the audience? What are the audience listening? Try to answer these questions. What was the movie about? How was the story? The story was amazing or not? How was the actor? How was the actress? How they were acting? Try to ask these ESL questions and try to answer them. That's how you will improve your speaking and you will not be having any problem. The last step, not the least one, is here. Translate stories from your language to English. आपकी ज़िंदगी में कोई अनफॉरगेटेबल मोमेंट ऑफ लाइफ है और यू वेंट टू अ क्रिकेट मैच, आपने दोस्तों के साथ क्रिकेट मैच खेला, वो अपने लैंग्वेज में आप किसी को बयान करते, ट्राई टू ट्रांसलेट द सेम स्टोरी टू द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. आपने उसको इंग्लिश को ट्रांसलेट करना है. Besides that, if you are watching a video or reading a story और आपने जो है वही स्टोरी फिर जो है अपने फ्रेंड को बताना है, you read story in Urdu, you read story in Pashto or any other language or Persian, आपने किसी और ज़ुबान में किया, that is the time that you need to translate it into the English. That will help you out to learn English easily and understand things, translate words, use the correct vocabulary, make the appropriate structure, and enhance your English language skills. Try your level best to use all these steps. I believe after using these steps, after following them, you are going to improve and you will have a very great change in learning English. उसके बाद आप जो है आसानी से सब कुछ सीखेंगे भी, फ्लुएंसी भी आएगी. Besides that, flow of conversation भी आपका तेज होगा. You will not be able to take pause. You will not be less confident and less comfortable, and you could easily go for it. Don't forget to use these steps to improve your English language. Learn and improve. Thank you so much. It was for today. Don't forget to ask me in comments if there is any question. Allah Hafiz.